Hi everyone! Welcome back to Sketch Portraits by NC. In this lesson, we'll learn how to place the eyes correctly on the head using the Loomis method. Step by step in 3 angles: front, half view, and 3/4 view. This will help you keep the eyes balanced and realistic, no matter the head's position. The Loomis method starts with a circle, then adds the side planes and the center lines to define the head's orientation. From there, we measure the eye spacing. The distance between 2 eyes is equal to the width of 1 eye. Let's start with the front view. First, draw the Loomis head outline, a circle, the side planes, and the vertical center line. Draw the horizontal line right in the middle. Mark the width of 1 eye on the left, 1 eye on the right, and leave 1 eye width space between them. Now, add the eye shapes, soft curves for the upper and lower lids, and make sure they align with the perspective of the head. Front view. Half view. For the half view, start with the Loomis head tilted slightly to the side. The vertical center line will shift toward one side, showing more of 1 eye than the other. The eye line still stays halfway between the top and chin. Measure one eye width in the visible side. The hidden side's eye will be foreshortened, narrower due to perspective. Half view. Three-quarter view. In the three-quarter view, we see most of one side of the face and only part of the other. The vertical center line moves further to the side. The near eye will appear in full width, while the far eye will be significantly narrower. Always check the alignment of both eyes to the curved eye line. It wraps around the sphere of the head. Three-quarter view. By practicing all three angles, you'll develop a better sense of proportion and perspective for drawing eyes. Next time, we'll cover drawing the nose in different head angles. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.